PANASONIC Eluga i3, and let me show you how to add here the screen lock on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the following options you need to scroll down and choose here the security. So let's choose here the security. From security, let's tap on the screen lock, and here you can use pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. You can require pattern also to start the device. In my case, let me choose no thanks, tap continue. So let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. And now you have to choose the form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide the sensitive one, or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done, and that's it. Now you can simply press power key, and as you can see right now, you can unlock the screen and start using your device by unlocking your pattern. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.